This feature stores generated machine code in the operations and recognizes machine code that is not changed to avoid redundant post-processing, significantly saving time when post-processing and simulating machine code. The machine code column is new. The X's indicate there is currently no machine code available in the operations. We'll begin by post-processing the program. Notice that processing time is required as the machine code is post-processed for each operation. The machine code is stored in each operation as indicated by the green check marks. We'll post-process the same program again, making no changes to the setup or the post-processor, and see how detecting the unchanged machine code avoids redundant processing time. The post-process dialog is different because the system detects the unchanged machine code. Because the machine code has not changed, the post-processor is not executed, resulting in a significant performance improvement. If the machine code changes in any way, the system detects it, automatically invalidates the stored code, and executes the post-processor. Here, for example, the operation is edited, and the machine code icon for that operation shows a broken link, indicating that the machine code is no longer valid. The change requires the program to be post-processed. Detecting the unchanged machine code also improves performance for repeated machine code simulation runs. As before, new or edited machine code must be post-processed. Check marks appear in the machine code column as the machine code is post-processed and stored in each operation. For subsequent machine code-based simulations, the system recognizes machine code that is not changed and avoids redundant post-processing. Toolpath events with the corresponding machine code can be displayed via the toolpath report. Stored machine code can be deleted.